Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to be talking about having different feelings. Yesterday, the boy and the girl puppet had the different feelings about the same event, about the dentist visiting the school. The boy puppet felt happy, but the girl puppet didn't feel that way. She felt scared. Let's learn some more about when people have different feelings about the same thing. So, let's look at this picture. And what do we see here? What do you see? Do you see two girls? Here we have Chantal and Marcia. They are riding the same bike. What are they doing? Riding the same bike. What else do you see? You see one girl in the front, one girl in the back. Chantal's in the front, pedaling the bike fast, and Marcia is riding in the back. Both girls are wearing coats. Both are girls. Both are riding the bike. They both have the same hair color. They're both the same age. They're both wearing helmets. They're both about the same size. If you had the same idea, pat your head. Now let's look at the photo again. What is different? Or what is not the same about Marcia and Chantal? Their clothes, their faces. Yes, pat your head if you had the same idea. Now, focus on Chantal's face. How do you think she is feeling? Remember, Chantal is the one in the front pedaling the bike fast. Think about it. Does she look like she's happy? Excited? Interested? If you had the same idea, clap 2 times. 1, 2. I have so many, right? Now look at Marcia's face. She's the one sitting in the back. How do you think she's feeling? Scared? If you had the same idea, pat your legs. She looks like she's scared. Marcia is feeling afraid or scared. She's not feeling happy or excited. Sometimes we think people feel the same way we do. But today you learned people have different feelings about the same thing. It's okay if people have different feelings about the same thing. Bye, boys and girls.